Okay, in this video we're going to look at discrete probability distribution, and we have a survey to determine the number of cats living in individual households, and we have the results summarized in the table. So the first thing we want to do is find the mean, and to find the mean of discrete probability distribution, you take x, which is the number of cats, and you times it by its probability, and then you're going to do that for each one. So we would get 0 times 0.33, which would be 0. 1 times 0.25 would be 0.25. 2 times 0.23 would be 0.46. 3 times 0.16 would be, make this a little bit bigger here, would be 0.48, and then 4 times 0.03 would be 0.12. So then you would add those together and you would get 1.31, which is the mean, because we have to sum. Now the formula for the standard deviation is we're going to take each x value and square it and then times it by px. So if we square each x value, we would get 0 squared 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. And then we need to multiply that times the probability. So I'm going to copy those over. And then I'm going to multiply because it's x squared times px. So I get 0, 0.25, 0.92, 4, 5, 1.44, and 0.48. So I'm going to add those together. And I got, let me check this just to be sure. So 3.09. Now that is the sum of x squared times p of x. Now I have to square the mean, and we know the mean is 1.31, so 1.31 squared would be 1.7161. So now I'm going to subtract those. And I get 1.379, and I got to take the square root of that. So I end up getting 1.17. So that is how you find the mean and the standard deviation of a discrete probability distribution. Let me know if you have any questions.